Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to discuss and develop an application which is like this. Okay, it is application number or definition number 47 of your syllabus. See the definition: create an application that designs a layout having options menu and two text boxes for currency converter. Okay, so in short we have to develop a currency converter application in which we have to provide options to the client like rupees to dollars, dollars to rupees, rupees to pound, pound to rupees. Okay, so in our layout there will be two text boxes or edit text, and we will also put options menu which will provide 4 options to the client. Okay, moreover the data for conversion should be entered by the user in text box. Clicking on the options from menu, appropriate operation should be performed and correct result should be displayed. So it will happen. Okay, we will implement it. So let us see the current conversion. 1 rupee equal to $0.013, $1 equal to 75.56 rupees, 1 rupee equal to 0.011 pound, and 1 pound is equal to 94.72 rupees. So let's define the layout and activity. So it is our activity and it is our layout. In our layout, first of all I will change the layout manager. I will use linear layout. Okay, and inside it we will set the orientation to vertical and our edit text. We also need to give the ID. Okay, for this we will give currency 1 and we will also set margin 20 dp, text size 25 dp. Okay, another edit text, currency 2 and margin 20 dp and text size 25 dp. Okay, let's see the layout. Two text views or edit text. We can also give hint. Okay, enter first currency. Okay, and here the another one we can give it. We can also put a text view over there, because here we don't want to capture input from the client. We just need to okay, so now we will define a menu in our resource folder. Menu, we will add a menu. Okay, we will give a name currency menu, and inside it we will put 4 items: ID R to D, rupees to dollar. Okay, title rupees to dollars. Second, dollar to rupee, D to R, title dollars to rupees. Then third one, rupees to pound, title rupees to pound. Fourth one, pound to rupees, pounds to rupees. Okay, here also pounds. Now we need to inflate this menu from our activity 6. So here we will overwrite on create options menu. Okay, and here we will return true, but before that we will inflate the menu using get menu inflator. Okay, dot inflate. Okay, here our menu is passed, should be passed as argument currency menu. Second is the parent menu. Okay, and for handling menu events on options items selected. Okay, again we will return true from here. Okay, now before implementing the logic we should define edit text and text view. Edit text currency 1, text view currency 2. Okay, here currency 1 equal to edit text find view by id r dot id dot currency 1. Currency 2 equal to text view find view by id r dot id dot currency 2. Okay, now on options items selected, first of all we will check we will take one string variable, string value means the value which is entered in first edit text value is equal to currency 1 dot get text dot to string. Okay, we will check if value dot trim dot equals empty toss dot make text get application context please enter the currency amount. ओके, अगर उसने करेंसी इनपुट नहीं की है तो हम उसको कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन अगर उसने इनपुट किया है तो एल्स में सबसे पहले एक डबल वेरिएबल जिसमें करेंसी वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू जो है उसको हमें डबल में कन्वर्ट करना है। डबल डॉट पार्स डबल वैल्यू। ओके, फिर हमें चेक करना है कि कौन सा ऑप्शन आइटम उसने सिलेक्ट किया है। तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे इफ़ आइटम डॉट गेट आइटम आईडी इक्वल टू आर डॉट आईडी डॉट रुपी $2. We also need a double variable result equal to 0. Result equal to, now see, rupee to dollar. Client has inputted rupee. To convert into dollar, we need to multiply it with 0.030. Okay, so currency value multiply by 0.030. Okay, else if item dot get item id equal to r dot d2 id dot d to r dollar to rupees. For that we need to convert multiply the rupees with 75.56 currency value multiply by 75.56. else if item dot get item id equal to r dot id dot r to p rupees to pound, multiply the rupee with 0.011 currency value multiply by 0.011. and else if item dot get item id equal to r dot id dot pound to rupees, we need to multiply rupees with 94.72 rupees. Result equal to current value is rupees multiply by 94.72. Okay, and finally we need to set this result in our text box, text view. For that, currency to dot set text result equal to, we can set res. Fine, let's test this application, which is activity 6. Let's set this activity as launcher suppose I enter 100. Okay, now if I select option rupees to dollar, it is just $1.3. If I select it as dollar, then rupees 77,556. If I select it as rupee and convert it to pound, 1.09. and if I select pound to rupees, 9472. So in this way we can develop and define a currency converter, okay, in Android. Okay, so it was the all about this application number 47. Okay, I should stop this video here, and in the next video we will develop some another application. Okay, bye.